BlueBird is now, down 15% in one single day. In the morning, it was $89. In fact, it was higher. It was $90. Plus, it is now 72. Oh, there are no buyers. Oh, what a shame. Anyway, you now move your trailing stops on the short side in BlueBird. Bear in mind, strong sell since $185 and a half. And every single day I described here the most important pivots in this stock. Okay, so every single day I announced here the most important pivots in this stock. And I'm going to remind you, 1 month ago, $143 to be a wonderful adding to the short side, $154 2 months ago and a half to be an excellent, wonderful opportunity to add to the short side. And I announced that this stock was a bubble, my friends, at $185 and a half. Wall Street had target prices $225 to $240 in this blue bird that was not blue. I described it here for the past 4 months. This is a red bird, a biotech bubble, and you just have to refer to the articles on the website. That is a bubble in biotech stocks. And those stocks that I mentioned to be bubbles in the biotech stocks, the biotech sector, all of them crashed. All of them, my friends. So I know, and I told you, you just have to refer, for example, to one of the companies that I like the most in the biotech sector, the Amgen, all right, that I never said it was a bubble, okay, that is a completely different company. If I sold Amgen, and you have the article and the call in Amgen at $180 precisely, and selling Amgen because there was a bubble in the biotech sector, you should not be surprised that you have this stock where it is and collapsing and crashing while Wall Street has been raising targets in BlueBird. And you go to these American websites like Yahoo and CNNs and CNBCs, and you have the interviews there, and a couple of weeks ago you had other analysts raising targets in BlueBird, and many articles saying that BlueBird, it was a buying opportunity. You just have to look at these scam websites like Stock Tweets, Seeking Alpha, the Motley Fool, all of them located in United States, as always. In fact, unfortunately, that has been the situation. So you should not be surprised for the collapse. And bear in mind, I told you here, I never upgrade this stock even to neutral, and I never recommended to close the short position on the stock. The only thing that I said it was, you have to have a very large short position in BlueBird. You have to have several positions on the short side in BlueBird, as I defended in the case of GoPro and Umbrella in the tech sector. And these stocks, they are going to collapse. And the only thing that you have to do is to manage efficiently your trailing stops and to follow the guidance given here on live streaming trading with regards to the resistance pivots that I announced. The only thing that you had to do, I repeat, it was to follow those instructions and nothing else. So when you look at the testimonial, the Orimin, Oleg, you understand why he did in GoPro and Umbrella $24 million. This also, it was other peak given in your service every single day in Platinum, but also in Investor Plan at $154. That was a wonderful selling short opportunity. Moreover, to finalize, I would like to say that you also have for small investors in that service, new or recent one, the Live Markets Premium, a wonderful article with regards to BlueBird, how much at most these shares they were worth. Okay, so how much at most those shares they were worth. All right, and the price that I gave at most to these shares was well below the price when the article was written and made available to you on the service in the blog of the company. Alright, so I repeat, I wrote an article saying how much the shares they would be worth at most when shares they were trading well above that price that I said to be the highest upside in BlueBird, and this to be a wonderful selling short opportunity. Thank you and good luck going forward.